Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix the Microsoft Office error code 147-0 on Windows 11 in no time. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to perform a clean boot. Now to do this, press the Windows button, then simply type msconfig and then select System Configuration from the search result. In here, make sure to click on the Services tab and then tick the box next to Hide All Microsoft Services, and afterwards click on the Disable All button. Now move on to the Startup tab and then click on Open Task Manager. Now in here, what you have to do is disable all the programs that might be in conflict with Microsoft Office. Afterwards, close this window, then click on Apply and OK in here, restart your computer and then check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to repair Microsoft Office. Now to do this, press the Windows button, then select the Settings icon. In here, click on Apps on the left pane, and then on the right side, click on Installed Apps. Now in the search box, simply type Office, and once you find Microsoft Office, make sure to click on the three dots next to the application, then select Advanced Options. In here, scroll way down until you find the Reset category, and then start by clicking on the Repair button. In this case, the app's data won't be affected at all. But if this doesn't work properly, you can also reset the application. In this case, the app's data will be deleted and everything will return to the default state. Afterwards, you can just check if the problem still persists. Next in line, another useful solution is to update Windows. Now to do this, press the Windows button, then select the Settings icon. Afterwards, click on Windows Update on the left pane, and then on the right side, click on the Check for Updates button. Windows will now try to scan and find if you have the latest updates. If not, it will download and install the latest updates automatically. Now after the installation procedure is finished, you can restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is to reinstall Microsoft Office. Now to do this, press the Windows button, then select the Settings icon. Afterwards, click on Apps on the left pane, and then on the right side, click on Installed Apps. In here, once again, in the search box, type in Office, and then make sure to click on the three dots next to the application and select the Uninstall button. Now once again, click on Uninstall to confirm the procedure, and after uninstalling the application, simply reinstall it. This can be done via your browser or simply via Microsoft Store. And that's pretty much it. Afterwards, you can check if the problem still persists. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.